She knows she should. I'm recording it.
She's recording going down the road.
It's kind of fun. Hey, my back just went in a toolbox. Oh crap. Oh. Welcome to TSU. Hey, look, you can see the TSU sign perfectly. People are going to be like, hey, now I know how to get around. Only if they can find that street. No, can't turn it because then they'll turn their head like, what the hell? Hey, look, what sign? Hey, you didn't even stop at that stop sign. I'm telling, I got it on video. Hey, that was pretty. My crazy neighborhood. That's what I'm going to title this video. Or I should say, just title it Inville. That's the road work they're doing. See the shit they're doing? Hey, now you gotta put that tailgate up. Hey, someone's washing clothes. Tailgate?
Domino's delivers out here.
How do you know?
That's Domino's.
What is she doing?
Backing up.
Maybe she left the tailgate down.
That's Domino's. You know what pizza comes out here now?
Why don't you back it up the way I back it up? Hey, look, there's mine. Hey, you know where my house is? See Alexis and the tail of an ass of Alexis. On. Here, get my no trespassing sign. Keep going, give them gas. Keep going. Is that Donato's? Hey. My dining room light's on.
I turn it on before I come up the door because I know if you come out this way or down.
Keep going. Give them gas. Just a little. Stop. Okay, keep going.
You're getting your sign. No trespass.
I did. I really did. Hey, a light's on in my bed. Oh no, that's